We are going to start on the multiplication part of the homework. In this case, it says multiply both parts of the inequality by 2, so it's negative 12 times 2. Oh, I hope that is here. Is greater than or equal to negative 14 times 2. Put everything in parentheses here. Negative 12 times 2 is negative 24. Negative 14 times 2 is negative 28. Now, I know this is hard to think about, but negative 24 is greater than negative 28. Think about temperature. It's warmer outside if it's negative 24 degrees rather than negative 28. So we are going to keep the sign. This stays true. Grace is going to help us with the others.
So we have
Nice and loud.
negative 5 times 9 is greater than negative 5 times 6. And negative 5 times 9 is negative 45. And you're multiplying by a negative, so you would have to switch the sign. And negative 5 times 6 is negative 30. And negative 45 is less than negative 30, and you reverse the sign.
Wait a minute. 45 is less. Did you already reverse the sign?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can you circle that so everybody can see that you had already done it? Good.
So you have negative 5
Yeah, I did that. I just told them.
times 3 is less than
You tell me, does your answer is negative
10
greater than or equal to
times
negative
3.
Well, it's what I put, right?
And negative 5 times 3 is 15. And 10 times 3 is 30.
Is it negative 15?
Yeah. And then you keep the sign because you're multiplying by a positive number.
So what you have to do is how do you do it?
And for the last one, you have 4 times negative 10 is less than or equal to 7 times negative 10. And 4 times negative 10 is negative 40.
Don't reverse the sign.
And 7 times negative 10 is negative 70. And you would
So which one's greater?
negative 40.
Good. So that's why we have to reverse the sign.
So you would reverse.
And then at the bottom, what do you notice about multiplication? When do we reverse it?
Whenever you're multiplying by a negative.
Can you write that for us? Excellent job. Can you hit the triangle on the side? Hit the mouse. And hit pause.